Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a cake with some cherries. It's sweet, delicious and very easy to make. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First, let's make the batter. In a bowl, let's add 170 grams of flour, 70 grams of cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and let's mix everything. Now in another bowl, add 120 grams of soft butter, 150 grams of sugar, and half a tablespoon of salt. Let's mix it for a minute. Let's add now 2 eggs, one by one. Now let's add 150 grams of kefir. We can replace the kefir with some yogurt or sour cream. Now, let's mix the two mixtures until smooth. Now let's add some butter to the dish, which you'll use for baking, and some flour. Pour out the excess flour. Now let's prepare the pan and spread evenly across the bottom of the pan the batter. Now let's add some berries. I'm using in my case some cherries. And pour the rest of the butter on top and spread evenly. Now let's send it to the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. When it's all done, let's sprinkle some powdered sugar and cut it into and try it out. It's delicious, easy to make, flavorful, and a very nice recipe to do. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, subscribe to my channel and watch more videos, and give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.